Alright, let's learn how to use the radio. Hey Cardo, radio on.
Radio on. 102.
Hey Cardo, next station.
107.5.
Hey Cardo, previous station.
102.
Hey Cardo, radio off.
Radio off.
As before, we also have buttons to do the job. Double tap the media button to go into radio.
90.
To move to the next station, press the media button once.
91.
To go back to the previous station, double tap the media button. To perform a radio station auto scan, press and roll the wheel.
94.4.
To stop auto scan, press the media button. To save a station, double tap it again.
4.4.
To toggle directly between radio and music, press the play button for 2 seconds or until you hear the second beep. Or you can also just say, "Hey Cardo, music on."